How to find 3-minute song on TikTok. To do this, let's open your TikTok app. Now, click the add button on the lower part of your screen. Then proceed to add the video or make the video that you will be using for your TikTok video. After recording, just click add sound in the upper part of your screen. Then just click the search icon and you can now proceed to search any song that you would like to put in your TikTok video. Click the filter button in the upper right corner of your screen and select sort by longest. After applying this filter, you can just scroll down and look for the song that has the longest music that you would want to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.